Stick with me for a few minutes. Let me tell you why I think Balerion could have prevented the dance. King Viserys bonded with Balerion. They only had one ride, just one. And Balerion then passed on. What people don't talk about a lot is, what did that actually do? Well, obviously Viserys lost his dragon, but I believe Viserys felt Balerion go. I believe the dragon bond is a two-way street, and if you have the biggest dragon that has existed in Westeros, if that dragon passes away, that's going to be felt. That's going to be long-lasting, and that's going to be something you don't forget. The two-way street, it is suspected that being bonded with a dragon would make you more confident, possibly. The thing is with Viserys, I believe had Balerion lived longer, I think Viserys would have been a different king. Had Viserys been a more bold decision maker, he would have made sure that Rhaenyra was the obvious heir. I believe he probably would not have wanted Rhaenyra and Daemon to leave and go to Dragonstone. I think she would have been better off being at the Red Keep, being seen, attending meetings and things like that. I think Viserys would have probably been able to have a better relationship with Daemon, because I believe Daemon's bond with Caraxes, which is known to be very strong, helps Daemon be as confident as he is. Sometimes maybe overconfident. So, why do I think Balerion could have prevented the dance? If Balerion had lived longer and Viserys was able to pull that confidence from Balerion, I think it would have changed his way of being a king in a positive manner. I think the rivalry between Viserys and Daemon wouldn't have been what it was. I think Viserys would have been a lot more confident. He wouldn't have felt that Daemon was trying to outshine him, and things would have gone differently, preventing the dance.